is Aaliyah, a chemical engineering student and a videographer. Today I'm having a conversation with her on how she balances chemical engineering, videography with AI. Oh goodness! Hi my love, that's good. I love your outfit. Thank you so much. Okay, I know. That Aaliyah has the same top as me.
That's
like
a
why?
lie. That's a lie.
You're a liar. Why would you do that?
You're a liar. She
No,
texted
why would
me.
you do that,
She said,
Aaliyah?
"Oh, Aaliyah, did you get this top from Didi?" And I said, "Yes." She now went to buy her own.
I don't know what you're talking about.
She likes to follow. If I walk like this, Halima will walk like
No,
that.
I trained you. So at what point did video editing become more than just side interest for you?
So during COVID, like I started learning how to do graphic design because a lot of make money from home was raining that time. But I figured that I don't really like it because there's a lot of like, should I say, static. Like graphic design has no motion to it. So that's how I started learning. Video editing. And at that time, it was just something that I honestly love to do. Like you just put one or two together and then it makes sense and people watch it and they're like, this is so nice. Like it's nice when you create something and people like it. So I used to do it like for free. People text me, help me do this thing, please, this one. Then I do it. But at the point where it became more than a hobby was when someone I worked with called me and told me that, Aaliyah, do you know this guy, Abdullah? Do you know how much he charged for this video? A video that I could make like very well, and if I see 5K, I will be so happy. But like he told me that this guy charges 20K for this kind of videos, and I'm like, I can do this too. I can. Do you get? So at that point, I just realized that okay, I can make money from this. So from there, I started, I didn't still earn up to 20K at that time, but I started charging 5K, 10K, and school resumed. Like there was COVID break, school resumed, and my allowances were not even enough for me at all. And it just made sense that okay, I would edit video for you, you give me money. Yeah. From the point where somebody first told me that somebody else is earning so much, and the person is not even as good as I am, to the point where I resumed school and I needed money. That's when I got serious that okay,
Calculation started coming in.
we're about to make this a side hustle. But it's my main hustle now.
I do think I'm time consuming, especially with a busy course like chemical engineering. At what point do you start thinking that I need smarter tools for this?
Okay. I think at the point where engineering became a lot, from like year two, we're just getting introduced to AI. So let me just say year 3 properly.
Okay.
So
getting introduced to AI, school or outside, like it's just coming out then. You're just getting to know about it.
Me, I'm just getting to know about it. And at that time too, AI wasn't really efficient. They keep like evolving.
Yes.
And they keep getting better. So at the point where it hit me that okay, if AI can do this, I can save my time, was probably like a year or 2 years ago. I would say a year ago, because that's when AI, because before when you give AI prompts, like you even do better than it. So I'll just say like from a year ago, I started like really delegating a lot of my task to AI. Yeah. And then from obviously engineering is a lot. So we have a lot of assignments, a lot of lab reports and everything. So I learned how to prompt AI properly and I incorporated it into my work, and since then, no turning back.
No turning back. Yeah. So was AI something you planned for, or it just grew naturally from your work?
It grew naturally because like the more I use it for my schoolwork, the more I feel like okay, I can use it to edit in other areas.
So what part of your area of work do you rely on AI for?
I would say pre-production. Like whenever I want to go for a shoot and I need a script structure, I use AI. Like I tell it, oh, this is what I'm doing. One thing I'm noticing about AI basically is you have to give it enough context If you don't give it enough context, your output is garbage in, garbage out. So if you don't give it enough context to what you want to do and the goal you are trying to achieve, you will not get enough output from it. So I give it as much context. I tell you about the company I'm working with. I tell it their goal. Okay, for instance, now I went to shoot a genomics company. They were doing a 10-year anniversary and I went to shoot them. So like, I gave it enough context. I told you what they are doing. I told it to do its own research on them. Do you understand?
Yeah, so that
and I told it
will see it with you.
Yes, and I told you their goal. Like, what is the goal of this video? Are they trying to share awareness about their stuff? Are they trying to just tell a story about how they started up to 10 years? So it makes you even like have clarity, because before you can prompt AI, you have to have enough clarity to what you're doing. So so I use it for pre-production a lot.
That means your prompting is very important.
Yes, prompting is very important. And one thing I also like to do is whenever I learn something, I teach AI. You can teach your AI. That's what people don't know. When I learn something, instead of me to keep it on my head, I can just send it to ChatGPT that this is what I learned about storytelling. This is what I learned about pacing, how to pace a video. And when I give it that prompt, I'm telling it that, okay, from what you have learned, from what we have both learned together, give me this. So that's something that I feel like people should learn to do. I know how to prompt really well. Like, even when I'm working with other brands too, they always leave the research to me because I'm good with prompting, and it's not like I'm doing it on my own. I just give AI as much as I'm reading.
So cool. The fact that it's coming from a video.
Yes, like you can copy.
You can copy web developer or something.
Yeah, you can copy the transcript of, say, for instance, I learned a storytelling framework. You know, most times people like to start from the end, something that's happened, then you now go back, take you back to how it all started.
Okay.
That's the common framework that most content creators use. But I learned another one that starts from the middle. And what did I do? I just copied the transcript of the whole YouTube video. Instead of me to sit down and learn it alone, I copied the entire transcript of the video. I pasted it to AI and we learned together. So like that, it's stuck on my head and it's also stuck with the AI. So the next time I have a video or I have a content to write or a script or whatever, it already knows the structure I'm going for. I can just pick from one of the frameworks that we've already learned together and I'll get a good output. So when you send it to the client, you're like, this is really good. Yeah, I don't share.
Wow, that's so cool actually. So cool.
Yeah.
So has using AI changed the way you approach deadlines?
AI has forced me.
Pick everybody.
I'm going to be very honest with you. AI has forced me because I know that once I get started, the work that would normally take me like hours to do, I'll finish it in minutes. So AI has forced me in that sense. So yes, AI has changed the way I approach deadlines so much that I don't do work. AI has changed me so much that I don't start working until I'm very close to the deadline, because I know that I'll still finish up in time
to make it more efficient.
So yeah, AI saved me a lot of time.
So do you not rely on everything? You rely your work, everything on AI?
No, I don't, and I don't recommend it. Like, AI sometimes can be very generic. Do you understand? So you need your own unique inputs. For instance, when I say I rely on AI, I use it to save my time. I use it to save my stress. For instance, I'm going for a shoot. I can tell AI that, oh, I'm going for this particular shoot. Give me all the list of things I need to do to have. Give me all the list of things I need to check. Like, I'm calling my videographer and I'm asking him, oh, have you taken this? Have you taken that? So we don't forget anything. So AI helps me with that. But when it comes to the quality of what I'm doing, you have to have like your own unique inputs. Do you understand?
Yeah.
When I tell stories, AI can only help me with the structure, but I still have to do it myself. So everything doesn't sound AI. Because it's very easy to detect.
AI.
Yes, because it's very easy to detect that, okay, this one is too structured, it's too well,
it's too AI
composed. Yeah.
So do you think being in engineering has influenced the way you use AI tools?
Yes, I'll say that, because engineering exposes you to a lot of AI that I can use. Because, like, for instance, I use Grok for like graphs and visual representation of something. ChatGPT will not go far with that. So for engineering, you need different tools for different purposes, and with that I discover a lot of AI tools that I sometimes incorporate into my work.
No, that's cool. That means there are actually AI tools AI tools have different purposes. Like there are some AI tools that are perfect for this job, why some are not perfect for this job. Is that
Yes, exactly that.
okay? That's cool. And AI actually saves you time and make you more creative.
Yes, it does.
So there's
It's
a lot
time
of
saving.
conversation. There's a lot of conversation about AI replacing creatives. So from that discussion, what's your view about it?
I feel like AI is only going to replace creatives that don't use AI. Like it's an evolved item. I mean, if WhatsApp is using Meta AI,
Yeah.
Instagram, almost every tool that you have now has like a bit of AI in them. Even software tools that you personally use.
Yeah.
So like as a creative in my own space, I can't say the same for artists that are painting or people that draw. I can't say the same for creatives in that area, but like in my own field, I've seen people incorporate a lot of AI, even in their visuals. Like you just see that 2 seconds of a clip, you know that this thing was AI. Like seeing, I don't want to go too much in depth here, but yes, AI is really going to take the jobs of creatives that do not use AI in any form.
And I even think everybody is incorporating AI into what they are doing now.
Yes.
Just like the artists you mentioned, there was a time I saw this graphics stuff whereby you can use phone and then when you point it at the painting, it's going to like display to be in motion rather than just being static.
Okay, you see that makes sense. So like with that one now, that person that did that has leverage over other artists that are doing the same thing.
Yeah,
just because he incorporated AI. So
people watching this and thinking, I'm not creative enough, or this isn't my field, what would you tell them?
People that are watching this and they feel like they're not creative enough, I would say that they should keep at it. It sounds very generic, but they should keep exploring like things that they can do. Do you understand? For students or for people watching this that feels like they're not creative enough, I'll say they should keep like trying. They should keep following their curiosity. They should keep at it. It sounds very generic, but it actually works. Like if you feel like you're not creative enough, keep doing the creative things that interest you, not just what everybody's doing for the
Something you have passion in,
or something, something that you have passion in, something
that
that
cooking.
yes, something that you're curious about. So if you feel that you're not creative enough, it means that you're not curious enough.
Yeah. So if someone wants to start using AI in editing today, what is a good first step?
I'll say pick one to don't. The honest truth is that there are tons of AI that you can use for whatever you're doing. But if you are navigating between so many tools, you might even get overwhelmed by it. So I'll say pick one tool, pick one structure, pick one goal. Do you understand? Pick one AI tool, focus on it, give it enough context. So it's just your go-to, not too many. So one tool, one structure, one goal.
So any final advice for students trying to build skills alongside their academics?
Okay, I'm going to say that first of all, you're actually going to suffer. Like knowing that you're going to suffer is good. You just know that okay, yeah, my journey. Be prepared for it. Be prepared for it.
That mindset.
Yeah. Second of all, people are going to tell you, oh, you have to drop one to do one, but you're the one that knows what you want, and you're the one that knows, like, you're the one that knows the version of yourself that you want to be. People don't know that, so. And I also say that you have to strongly believe in yourself. If you are building a skill alongside school, there will be points where your CGPA will take the hit, like a serious hit. But like you have to believe that what you are working towards is much greater than the minor failures, minor setbacks that you're facing along the road. So you have to have a strong, before anyone, before your parents, before your friends, before your boyfriend.
You're cutting up my
before anyone else believes in you, you have to strongly believe in yourself,
because you're the one that can see the vision.
Yes, because you're the one that can see the vision, and you don't let setbacks stop you. Obviously, if the setback are too much, you might want to restructure
and get yourself back, but don't stop until you get to where you want to be, regardless of naysayers, setback, everything. Like shooting today now, a lot of things have happened, but we have not stopped, so we're still going on with it because you are focused on when the video comes out, and that's how like you should focusing on the outfit, that okay, let's run it. So this conversation shows that technology doesn't have to box you in one part. With the right tool, you can explore multiple interests and still grow. Bye for now.
Oh yeah, go ask who's taller, please. Who's taller?
Obviously me, it's obvious.
No, because I'm
obvious.
I'm fat. People always think that.
It's obvious.
Are you guys not taller than me? Jesus.